Hi, welcome to In the Know with Tina Pelto. This month we celebrate Manufacturing Month by joining our Engineering Design Technologies lab. I'm going to fly a drone. Hi, I'm here in the Engineering Design Technology lab, and I am here with Jonathan Brzee from Wellington High School. Hi, Jonathan.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Good, Jonathan, tell us about what it is you learned here in the Engineering Design Technology lab.
Yeah, so we do a lot of, so your junior year, you do a lot of 3D modeling on the computer and stuff, and we can do a lot of components that can be machined out in the machine shop.
What kind of things do you guys design?
So we design a lot of things you use in your daily life. We can computer controllers, shoes, laptops, drones, even anything mechanical wise. So yeah.
That's cool. How about in your senior year? What do you study?
So senior year, we actually fly these drones, and we can take aerial pictures and imagery outside, and we're actually going to be doing that for another lab here.
How do you use that in civil engineering? What is the business purpose of this?
So the business purpose is we can do pictures from places that humans can't go, so like bridges, roads, buildings, and then we can inspect them, and it's more of civil engineering. Our senior year.
That's very cool. So today, I'm gonna fly this drone.
Not today. You're not gonna be flying that drone. That's a couple $1,000s, and if that were to crash, you're probably gonna pay for it.
That's the problem.
So we're gonna get you on this little drone over here. It's much cheaper and less riskier.
I can do this. I can do this. All right, show me how.
We'll see about it. All right. So first we have to do our inspection on the drone. Make sure there's no dents or nicks on it.
Looks good. Move on. Let's go.
Yeah, not so fast. So these are LiPo batteries in here, so you have to make sure they're all right. There's no bloating on it because they can actually catch fire in flight. So everything does look good on this, so we'll go ahead and fly it.
I'm ready.
Alrighty, it's one that's done blinking and it's actually connected to the controller. And then, so this is gonna be your takeoff button right here. Then up and down controls it with the left joystick, and it also rotates with the joystick. And then this is your forward, backwards, left, and right.
It's like that. I'm good.
Kind of, yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take off. And then left joystick up will bring it up in the air. And then your right joystick, pushing it forward to go forward. Left joystick, or your right joystick back. Left and right, and then up and down. All right. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give you a little shot at it.
All right.
And then left joystick all the way down will actually stop it for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
You got it?
I got it.
All right, here we go. Yep, so left joystick. Yep, and then that takes it off for you. Yep.
Oh yeah, I can start. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay.
Oh my. Yeah, you're gonna have to pay for that one.
Okay. Thank you, Jonathan, for being so patient and teaching me how not to fly a drone. If you recognize Jonathan, you'll see him on the gridiron playing for Wellington this Friday night in the playoffs. Good luck, Jonathan. You got a tough game with those Columbia Raiders, and good luck to all of our student athletes on Friday night. So just a couple of announcements for you. There is no school for students on Friday. It is Teacher in-Service Day. As you may know, we have seen an increase in issues regarding mental health across the nation. So Friday, our teachers are going to be trained in Question, Persuade, Refer. It's a training to help teachers talk to students who may be struggling with depression or anxiety. Some other dates coming up. November 24th to 26th is Thanksgiving break. And our winter break is December 18th to January 2nd. Looking forward to a great second quarter, and have a wonderful day, JVS.